Welcome, everybody. Welcome to Rolling with Lisa, and welcome to our Saturday graduation. And we are doing some of our rainy day challenges. Guys, I hope everybody is doing well on this beautiful Saturday afternoon. I am poop, guys. I am poop. I got up this morning. I shampooed the carpets. I walked the dog. I clean, I wash, I am poop, but I must come in and do this video. So with all that being said, let's get started with our rainy day fun. We have 3 challenges here, and we are going to add some money to our rainy day fund. Ooh, excuse me. And we are doing these $2 each. And this challenge right here is by, guys, y'all gotta forgive me because I have been drinking my tea after I just came in from after walking the dog. So I'm a little burpy right now. This challenge right here is by Black and Blue. This come from her shop, Drip by E. And we are doing these $2 each. We have $6 going into this one. So we can do at least 3 of the clouds for today. We are going to do 3 of them with $2 each. And I believe that it's pollen out there because it has me sniffing. I had started coughing on the walk and couldn't stop. So I had to stop and take a break from the walk. But I did start back. I did start back and went around the track. After that, I went around the track 4 times. 4 times. But, yeah, I enjoyed that little walk. I might try it again later on when it cooled down some. But, walking today, it was nice. It was real nice. It wasn't too hot. The bugs wasn't bad. So yeah, it was nice. But when it get to that point to where the bugs will start being bad, hey, this girl right here know how to get on that treadmill and do her little walking. Now, this challenge right here by Drip by E, we have $10, $15, $16, $17, $18 going into this one. And 18, 22, 4, 6, 8, 30, 2, 4, 6, 8, 40, 2, 4. $44 saved. Wow. I didn't know it was that much. This is a 40. Let me write it with a purple marker. $44 saved. Wow. Ow. That is... Let me see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 30, 2, 4, 6, 8, 40, 2, 4. Yeah, 44. $44 saved. Okay. Okay, and then we might do that E for 6. I don't know. We'll see when we get to it. But that's a $44 save. That is awesome. This one right here is a challenge by the Faithful Dash. And it's one of her March challenge. I don't know if she's doing this for March Madness or just for what is it, St. Patrick's Day. But we are putting $7 into this one. We are going to mark off. Oh no, it's this pen or what? We are going to mark off a pot of gold right there. And we're going to mark off one of these 2s. And that is $7 coming into this one. And here's the money for that. I was going to say, where's the money? We have 5, 10, 12, 14, $16, $17 going into this one so far. 5, 10, 15, 17. That's correct. That's correct. And hopefully we could bring a little more. Now we'll do $7 till we get it. Till we get them all caught up. Because we'll have that last $5 pot there. The Faithful Dash. This one right here is a challenge by Budgeting with Lysandra. It's her little kitty something. I can't think of the name. Gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't think of the name. But we are bringing $9 into this challenge right here, so we can mark off 9 of the raindrops. 9 of the raindrops. And since I don't turn all my darn markers over, that is not, I think this is the right color. We can mark off 9 of the raindrops, so that will be 3 sets. 1, let's go up 1, 2, and let's get this one right here, 3. So that's 3 sets of 3. So that's $9 going into this challenge. And let's see how much we have for today. This gonna save us a good little penny. Each raindrop is worth $1 each. And we, Hello Kitty, there we are. 5, 10, 15, 17, 19, $21. $21 and 23, 20, 23, 26, 29, 33, $36 save. Yep. We'll have a $36 save on this one. Wow, how much we'll have saved on this one? We'll have 5, 10, 15, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 30, 2, 4, 6, 8, 42. Wow, I didn't know these things were that huge. So where are we going to put these? Oh, these are rainy days, so they go into the 100 envelope challenge. Wow, that 100 envelope challenge is going to be nice. So, guys, now we are going to get to our graduation challenges. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why I got 7? Why do I have 7 challenges on the board? Let's put this one back. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We had an extra challenge in there. Why? Why? Let's count the money and see how much we are playing with today. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $30 coming in for today. And, how we going to do this? We're just going to go in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's see who gets what. Yeah, I think normally I would do them, randomize them some type of way. But each one will receive, let's make it long today. Let's say $1 each. $1 each. So number 5 gets $1. Number 5 gets another one. Number 1. Number 4. Number 6. Number 5. Number 5, we're going to take 2 and we're going to put down a 2. Yeah, we could do that. Number 1, we're going to take this 2 and we're going to put down a 2. Number 4, we're going to take that 2 and we're going to put down this 2. Number 1 again. Number 1 again. Take these 2 and put down that 2. Come on, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, 3, 1. 1 is hot. 5. 1. Take. We can't take nothing off of 1. We cannot take nothing off of 1. We could take something off of 2. Take these 2 and put down that 2 and get 1, 1. Come on, 3. We need you, 3, 4. 3, yay. Take these 2, put down that one, get 3, 1. 5. Yeah. 3. Oh, take this 1, put down that 2. 5. Take this 1 and put down that 2. 6. Take this 1, put down that 2. Now we got some more 1s coming in. Come on, 3, 5, 4, 5. 4. 5. Take these. I've been doing it wrong. And put down that 2. We take 1. I've been doing it wrong all the while, people. Why y'all didn't let me know? Oh, we need one more from this one. Let's grab 2 from here and put down this 1. Wow. 4. 4 right here. 6. Last dollar goes to 2. Oh, 3. Man, oh man. Oh well. Oh well. Let's see how well we did today. Number 6 is a challenge that was gifted to me by Cashing In with Shelly, and we received $4 for today, and we can mark off a 4. Let's do what row we have not did yet. This one right here. We're going to get this 4 right here. And add it to this. And let's see how much we have total in this challenge. We had 22, 4, 6, 8, 9. $29 going into our 200 Roll the Dice challenge. And guys, we may not finish this before graduation, but we are going to continue to do it until we get that $200. And number 5 is a challenge by Norella's Budget. It was one of her Rugrats challenges. I think it was 2023 or 2024 challenge that she put out. And let's see how much we received today. We have 2, 3. We had 2, 4, 6, 8, $9 going into the Rugrats. And we are doing these $1 each and will save us $16. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We need $3 for a completed challenge. So now we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, $13 for a $16 save. Wow. We got busy with that one today. But I still believe that number 1 should have been our big winner. I don't know, was I taking money from it? Now number 4 is a challenge by Gaming Grandma Budgets. It's one of her Happy Galentine group play challenges. And we received 2, 4, $6 today. And did we finish up the 4s? We finished up the 4s, so let's go to the 3s. And we could get 2 of the 3s since we did 6. Or, yeah, the blues. Yeah, let's get 2 of the 3s. That's $36. So we have the red and 1 3. So that's 6 and 1 blue. So we need $8 for a completed challenge. It will save us $30. So let's see how much we have in total. Let's see, we have the 22 in here. We have 5, 10, 15, 17, 19, 21, 2. Yes, we do. We have $22 in here for a $30 save. We'll be finished with this hopefully next time we play. Yeah, that is awesome. That is awesome. Number 3, you didn't want to cooperate today. We received $2, and this is a challenge by Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. It's a $48 save, and we could mark off a 2 right here. $2 save. Now let's see how much we have going into Dawn's. We have 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19 for a $48 save. April, May. So coming May, we should be doubling up on some of these challenges. We should. Now on this one is a challenge by Becca Budget 777. It's one of her back to school challenges, and we received $3 today, so we can mark off 3 of the icons. 1, 2, 3. And this one is a $30 save as well. And let's see how much we have in here. We have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21. 21, so we need 9 more for a completed challenge for graduation. We'll get those 9s. We'll get those 9s. Number 1 was kind of hot. I think I was doing them wrong. I think I was stealing from number 1 instead of adding to it. It's a $4 challenge by Glow Budgets, and we received 2 for $6 today, but it had a $2 rollover, so we can mark off 2 of the 4s. We're gonna get 2 of this row right here complete. That one. And let's get we got this lighter, we got that green. Let's do a pink. Get this pink. Try and make it colorful just like this. Like the cartoon up there. So now let's see how much we have in total. Should have 16. And we have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, $16 coming into this one. Ooh, 16 plus 16. This is a lot. $64 save. Wow, we'll be on this one forever too. But hey, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We'll be completing some. Hopefully the next time we play, we'll be completing a good smart of them. And we could be adding that money to our graduation fund, which I believe I have like 3 or 4 graduates this year to send off some money to. Woo! And then, I don't know how many I have after that one. After this May, God will to see. I hope it's a good smart. And we do graduation every year. Every year. And we always add a tithing into our graduation fund. And sometimes I Miss Sparkle Eyes, my nonprofit, in there as well, because I also give to the ones that in this community something for graduation. But guys, yeah, I was gonna do this off camera, but I decided to stay with you all for a little while and go ahead and color these in and just have a little chatty chat with you all. But I am done now. So guys, that completes everything. That completes our graduation for this week and our rainy days. So that being said, always remember I love you and God loves you too. And I will see you all back for many Mondays, God's willing. Y'all have a blessed and safe weekend. I will talk to you Monday. Bye.